Now we are going to study about the extraction of metals, and here the next reactive metal is aluminium, and now we are going to study about the extraction of aluminium. Now already in the previous video we have seen about the extraction of sodium, and now we are going to study about the extraction of aluminium. Now let us have a brief look on the chemistry of aluminium. Symbol of aluminium is Al. Atomic number, that is Z, of aluminium is 13. That means it has 13 protons in the nucleus and 13 electrons revolving around the nucleus in different shells. Now these 13 electrons are distributed in these 3 electron shells like this. That means its electronic configuration will be 2, 8, 3. That means 2 electrons are present in the first electron shell, 8 electrons are present in the second electron shell, and 3 electrons are present in the third electron shell. Now, as this electronic configuration is present in aluminium, here it tends to complete the octet state, and to complete the octet state it has to donate these 3 electrons. Therefore, as it loses 3 electrons, it acquires 3 positive charges on it. Therefore, 3 positively charged aluminium ion is produced. Therefore, its valency is 3. मित्रांनो, या ठिकाणी ॲल्युमिनियम बद्दल आपण थोडक्यात पाहू. ॲल्युमिनियमची संज्ञा आहे Al. ॲल्युमिनियमचा अणुक्रमांक आहे की जो Z ने दर्शविला जातो 13. अँड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन म्हणजे ॲल्युमिनियमचे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक संरूपण आहे 2, 8, 3. म्हणजे पहिल्या कक्षेत 2, दुसऱ्यामध्ये 8, तिसऱ्यामध्ये 3. आता जेव्हा याच्या जवळ दुसरा एखादा स्ट्रॉंग इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्ह असलेला एलिमेंट येतो, तेव्हा तो या 3 इलेक्ट्रॉनना आपल्याकडे खेचून घेतो. ते 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन गेल्यामुळे या ॲल्युमिनियमवर तिहेरी धन प्रभार येतात आणि तिहेरी धन प्रभार असलेलं कॅशन या ॲल्युमिनियमचं तयार होत असतं, आणि म्हणून ॲल्युमिनियमची संयुजा 3 आहे. नाउ ओर ऑफ ॲल्युमिनियम. ॲल्युमिनियमचं धातुक. ॲल्युमिनियमचं धातुक हे बॉक्साइट या स्वरूपामध्ये असतं. आपल्याला माहिती आहे की ॲल्युमिनियम हा क्रियाशील धातू आहे, आणि क्रियाशील धातू असल्यामुळं तो निसर्गामध्ये मुक्त स्थितीत आढळत नाही, तर तो संयुगाच्या स्थितीत आढळतो. आणि हे संयुग हे नेहमी ॲल्युमिनियम ऑक्साईड या स्वरूपामध्ये आढळतं. ॲल्युमिनियम ऑक्साईड आणि काही पाण्याचे रेणू त्या ठिकाणी त्याच्यामध्ये असतात, आणि अशा पद्धतीनं Al2O3 NH2O हे ॲल्युमिनियमच्या धातुकाचं म्हणजे बॉक्साइटचं स्वरूप आहे. नाउ ॲल्युमिनियम इज ए मोर रिएक्टिव्ह मेटल. Therefore it doesn't occur in free state in nature, but it is in compound form, and generally this is in oxide state like this. Aluminium oxide with n number of water molecules is called as the bauxite, and in this bauxite some mineral impurities are present, and those mineral impurities which are called as gangue, these are generally silica, that is SiO2, silicon dioxide, then ferric oxide, that is Fe2O3, and titanium oxide. These are the impurities. Now, up till now we have studied about the nature of the ore of aluminium, and now we are going in the next step, concentration of ore, and in that concentration of ore we are going to remove out this gangue, or the impurities are to be removed, and how these impurities are removed, that we will see in the next step, that is in the concentration of aluminium ore. We will go towards the concentration of aluminium ore. Now, in the concentration of bauxite ore, that is ore of aluminium, the two processes are there. Number one is of Bayer's process and second one is the Hall's process. Now, what is Bayer's process? In this, the aluminium ore, that is bauxite ore, is soaked or it is leached in aqueous sodium hydroxide solution, that is aqueous NaOH. And in Hall's process, the ore is soaked with aqueous sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. This is the main difference. And later on, after concentration of this ore, now that ore is heated so that the water molecule will be removed from that, and finally we will get pure form of aluminium oxide. That means pure alumina is obtained from these methods.